Welcome back and thanks for checking out part 2 of our Gardening from Home series by the Fort Erie Native Friendship Center. In this video, we will take a look at what we did over the past few weeks and how things are working out so far. After about a week, the tomato plants were beginning to grow quickly. This is when we put the tomato cages on. The tomato cages will help support the plants along with the tomatoes as they grow larger. It's always better to put these in sooner than later. It's Haley's turn. We put some cages around the pepper plants while we were at it. Everything is off to a good start. Everything seems to be coming along nicely, and Haley has been doing great with watering the garden. After reading a few articles, we decided to prune the pepper plants so that we could try to get more peppers at the end. By cutting off the tops, the growth will be redirected to the side branches, creating more sites for the peppers to grow. A couple weeks later and everything looks great. Our pepper plants have begun to branch out, so it looks like this method might actually work out for us. Our garden continues to grow well, and Haley is learning a lot this summer. Awesome work, Haley. Keep up the good work. Thanks for checking out part 2 of our Gardening from Home series. In our next video, we will be looking at, fingers crossed, looking at some tomatoes and other veggies starting to develop, along with any other updates as we grow through the season. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.